Namaste friends, welcome back. I'll tell you one very important fascinating fact about your breathing. So breathing, partly it is under your voluntary control. For example, first few seconds of your breathing, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. So medically recorded, Guinness Book of World Records, somewhere it is around 5 minutes something breath holding time, voluntary breath holding time. So that part is your voluntary control of breathing. So beyond that, body will take over, and body wants its oxygen supplied to different organs as it is predestined and pre-guided. It is not under our conscious will, it is under the will of our involuntary nervous system, which will decide how much amount of oxygen is needed, how much amount of glucose is needed for each and every organ of our body. So breathing is the only part of your body which is both voluntary and involuntary. If I say skeletal muscles, it is completely under voluntary system. If I say heart is completely involuntary, you cannot stop the heartbeat. But breathing is the only part of the human body which is both voluntary and involuntary. So this is a fact you have studied, and now you correlate for any yoga teacher or yoga practitioner or sadhaka, the breathing part is at most vital. The prana ayama, you are regulating the breath, you are regulating the prana. So what it means is the link between body and the mind is the breath. See that medically I am explaining in terms of body and the mind, only link between body and mind is the breathing. For example, when you are angry and restless, agitated, your breathing will be fast, irregular, erratic. When you are very calm and relaxed, your breathing will be calm and relaxed and autonomic. So it means that if you are able to regulate your breathing in a particular way, you can regulate your emotions. So how beautiful the knowledge of ancient sages or yoga practitioners used to be, that they have given a primal importance for pranayama. So pranayama. So important breathing techniques. So how we breathe. So for you to practice all the sorts of pranayamas, Nadi Shodhana pranayama, Kapalabhati, Bhastrika, Surya Bedi, Chandra Bedi, Sitali, Sitakari, Sadanta, all these pranayamas or many more pranayamas for you to practice. If you have a basic understanding of breathing, respiratory system, it is good for you to practice it better and achieve better results with this breathing techniques using your knowledge of anatomy and physiology related to your respiratory system.